This is Bani TV. Bani TV, subscribe, share, like, and let's all help to uplift each other. Our topic for today is be committed in life. Commitment is the state or quality of being dedicated to a cause or activity. Commitment is one of the superpowers of the true belief and where we take responsibility of our life. When you are committed, you become more clear about what you want and work productively until you achieve your goal. If you are committed, you become focused. When you are committed, you take responsibility of whatever you are doing. When you are committed, you take total control of what you are doing and you work hard to achieve your goal. Commitment is when we constantly deliver on the promise we make to ourselves. When our commitment is weak, we are more likely to make excuses. You find a room or you find a way of complaining, you find a way of postponing things, you find a way of making excuses. The reason why you are not able to fulfill your goal, the reason why you are not able to finish the project that you started, you have not taken 100% responsibility of what you want. You have not taken total control of what you want. So when your commitment is weak, we end up making excuses on the project that you want to start. Commitment is not giving up on your desire to achieve your aim, to achieve. When you are committed, you don't have to give up. When you are committed, it's when you tell yourself or you promise yourself that in either rain or shine, you will never give up. Either rain or shine, you will continue pushing until you achieve the goal. Either rain or shine, you will continue push until the project gets finished, or whatever that you're doing, you put yourself, you involve yourself 100%, you take responsibility, 100% responsibility on the project. Commitment is staying true to yourself. Tell yourself the truth. Know what you're doing. Whatever you are doing, you have to stay true. Tell yourself the truth. If you can, you can. Push and everything will be better. Push and everything will be fine. Don't deceive yourself. Don't do something to deceive yourself. Don't do something that will make you weak on achieving your goal. When you are committed towards achieving your goal, make it point that you abandon your comfort zone. Make sure that you abandon your comfort zone, because whenever you stay in your comfort zone, there will be anything that you will be able to achieve. Whenever you stay in your comfort zone, you will not be able to achieve anything. So make sure that whatever you are doing, every goal that you are setting, every project that you are setting, you will move from your comfort zone. Everything that you are doing, the thing has to motivate you, or the thing has to move you from your comfort zone. Before you can achieve anything, you have to move from your comfort zone to be able to achieve it. Stay in your comfort zone, you will relax, you will be happy, everything that you do will not go well. Make sure you abandon your comfort zone to be able to achieve your goal. Be committed in your marriage, because there are some people who are not committed in their marriage. If you want your marriage to work, make sure you are committed. If you want the relationship to work, make sure that you are committed. If you want everything to work for you, be committed. Commitment is the key to finish your goal. Commitment is the key to finish the project. Commitment is the key of achieving your goal. Be committed in your friendship. You have to be committed in your friendship so that it will not be like when you need your friends, you call them. When you can't benefit or you don't need them, you don't call them. Or when you don't need the person, you don't call them. If you are not committed, you always want to benefit from your friends, or you always want to benefit from people. But when you are committed, everything that you do, you say, we are doing it all. I'm going to make sure that this friendship will work. I'm going to make sure that this relationship will work. Be committed in it. Be committed in the business. Be committed. Whatever business that you're doing, make sure you put yourself. Whatever business that you plan to do or you set your goal on, make sure that you are there. You are committed. You are responsible. You're taking responsibility of it. Whatever project that you want to start, make sure you are there. Be committed in the project. Be committed in life. Because if you want to achieve something better in life, you have to be committed. Without commitment, there is nothing to achieve. Be there, take responsibility of it. Make sure that you are taking 100% responsibility of your life. By so doing, you achieve everything. And make sure that you stay out of your comfort zone when you set a goal. You stay out of your comfort zone when you start a project. Make sure you are there. Make sure you take responsibility and abandon your comfort zone. And everything is achievable with God. With your own strength, with your commitment, with your responsibility, everything is achievable. And be clear on something. Everything that you're doing, be clear. Be clear what you want. Make sure that you know what you want, what you're going for. You know what you're going for. You're taking responsibility of that. Here is Barney TV. Subscribe, share, and like, and let's all help to uplift each other.